saya mulai 5 menit lebih awal supaya kita bisa memulai sesi ini tepat waktu pada pukul 12.30. Oke ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the parallelization of Bandung Creative Movement 2020. We are honored to have your presence today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maharani Budi, and my partner, Mr. Hendy Anwar, will assist you during the discussion panel. It should be mentioned that during the session of creative technology, data, and creative industry, each of participant authors will get approximately 20 minutes. It is consisted by 5 minutes for speaker to present the paper and recorded presentation, and followed by 15 minutes question and answer discussion panel. Okay, and for your information, we will use both English and Indonesian language. So feel free to communicate with those language that suits you. And how about the time? To shortening the time, we introduce you the first participant author. It Miss Cahyaning Umul Hasanah Nur Syifani, Lutfi Triatmaji, dan Gadis Febriani with the paper board game as a tool for developing character of independence in Malang Regency. Okay, to Miss Cahyaning, please take your time, prepare the paper. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Maharani. I will share screen.
Jadi Bu Cahya, kita akan tetap mulai pukul 13.30 ya. Ini silakan disiapkan dulu.
Iya.
Oke.
Semenit lagi ya, Bu ya?
Iya.
Oke.
Oke. 1 menit lagi, Bu. Kita akan mulai dengan timekeeper-nya ya.
Sebentar, Bu. Ada tamu. Oke.
Oke, kepada Bapak Ibu partisipan author yang lain, mohon dipastikan pada saat presentasi nanti nggak ada distraksi ya. Jadi semuanya bisa lancar. Oke, sudah 23. Pak Hendy, timekeeper-nya aman?
Oke, siap, Bu.
Ya, Pak.
Oke, langsung ya, Bu. Ini udah 12.30.
Silakan, Bu.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cahyaning Umul Hasanah Nur Syifani from Binana Nusantara University Malang. Let me introduce my team, Mr. Lutfi Triatmaji and Gadis Febriani. Okay. Today we will presentation about board game as a tool for developing character of independence in Malang Regency. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, next. Tes.
Bisa, Bu?
Nggak bisa di next.
Oke, mungkin Ibu silahkan dilanjut aja, nggak apa-apa. Kita coba untuk bantu di sini ya.
Oke. It was my first time following this proceeding and immediately start speaking English. and being the first speaker in this room. So, okay. Okay. In my research, board game as a tool for developing character of independence in Malang Regency, developing character from early childhood, children aged 0 to 5 years experience very rapid brain development. According to Undang-Undang Number 23, 2003 concerning the national education system. Udah bisa, Bu? Ya, sebentar. Oke, terima kasih, Bu. Nah, at this age, children learn to develop cognitive, psychomotor, discipline, independence, social, and emotional character. Why I make this independence word bold? Because according interview with principal and child psychologists, independence character are the most visible character at this age, from 0 to 6 years, especially at 3 to 6 years. This attitude of independence is also a component of the formation of social life skill, namely the ability that children must have to be able to adjust to their social environment. And the characteristic of independence preschools are able to complete tasks, tidy up things, and help others. Children always learn these characters by imitating adults. The process of observing and imitating the behavior and attitudes of others as an example is an act of learning. These research methods use qualitative methods with a child psychology approach. Data sources used in this study include written data in the form of field notes, research result, observations, scientific article from previous research, and in-depth interview. Okay, next. While the psychology approach is used to determine a child's character so that it has an impact on the preparation of the concept of the game, which include the rule of the games. This is the media used in children's learning. First is children book, 2 game tools like APE. APE is alat permainan edukatif, card game, board game, and then playground like sliding, swinging, outbound area, and daily habit like discipline, emotions, routine, and faith. The principal of the kindergarten school state that the most game media that stimulated the child growth and development was the second point, game tools. And board game designers say that board games are more practical and more practice and cheaper than alat permainan edukatif. In this pandemic situation, game can help to educate character development children from home. Next book. Thank you. So we made a board game prototype for children's character development, especially the development of independence. Based on review, children like playing mix and match games. They will be happy if they get a reward or praise for completing a given task. This reference from interview, children like playing, mix and match. They get a reward. Okay, prototype and test. Prototype thing. We use daily habit, which display illustration of object around. Child are challenged to answer questions from the facilitator by pointing to illustrations of objects used for certain activities. If the answer is correct, the child gets a reward. Next. Nah, conclusion. After the test, board game prototype made based on the result of observation and interviews that have been conducted. We make a board game from based on interview and observation. This game can develop a character of independence with several kinds of challenge. Children dare to answer, dare to tell story, and can complete a challenge.